I am teacher of English grammar. Okay, first of all I introduce your book, English grammar and composition. Okay, the publication is Holy Faith. Okay, let's go chapter number 1. Else or else. Today we are going to chapter of class 7 grammar. First lesson is else or else, and we are going to learn how to use else or else in the sentence. First of all, we know the meaning of else. Else means other. Okay, in the place of other we can use else, and but there are some changes we have to make also. We can some words are given in your book. Look, we can use else after the following words. One by one I read: someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything, no one, nobody, nothing, everyone, everybody, everything, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, and everywhere. Okay, these words which will help us to put else in the sentence. Okay, so for example, all the above words are singular. Always we use a singular verb for them. Look at your table here. Some other person, instead of some other person we have to write someone else in the sentence, somebody else in the sentence. Okay, and any other person is equal to anyone else, anybody else. Means in the sentence, if in any other person, instead of in any persons you have to write anyone else or anybody else. Okay, then no other person, instead of no other persons you have to write there no one else, nobody else. Okay, then any other things is equal to anything else, no other things is equal to nothing else, and every other things is equal to everything else. Then in the sentence, look, you have to write this table all. Okay, and also these words in your notebook and learn, because this will help to do this exercise. Now look here, in, at, to, some other place is equal to somewhere else. And then in, at, to, any other place is equal to anywhere else. In, at, to, no other place is equal to nowhere else. Means if phrase some other place comes in the sentence, instead of some, in, at, to, some other place, you have to write instead of these words somewhere else. Okay, then in, at, to, any other place, instead of these words you have to write there anywhere else. And in, at, to, no other place, instead of all these words you have to write nowhere else in the sentence. Okay, some examples given here. Look, in the sentence, how can we change, okay. So first is, you will have to ask some other persons. Okay, you answer. What is the answer? You will have to ask someone else. Means some other person. Instead of some other persons you have to write someone else. Look, this is in your look at your table. Some other person, some other person, someone else. Some other person, someone else. Means in the sentence, some other person, and instead of some other persons you have to write there someone else. Means what is the answer? You will have to ask someone else. Okay, then are you going to any other place? To is a preposition. Here we remove preposition to. Okay, what is the answer now? Are you going anywhere else? Are you going anywhere else? Okay, instead of any other place you have to write there anywhere else. Any other place, look at your table. Any other place, what is there? Anywhere else. Okay, any other place means anywhere place. Then some look at your exercise. Two sentences, rewrite the following sentence using else. I have some other thing to show you. I have some other thing to show you. I have, what is answer? I have something else to show you. Something else to show you. Okay, some other things, instead of some other things, you have to write there something else. Means you look at your table, then some other thing, some other thing you have to write. Okay, you have to write someone else to show you. All other things have gone, everybody else, everyone else has gone. Okay, now look at here. Some sentences are given your notebook, given in your book, and you have to solve all these sentence in your notebook for practice, and you have to do all this in your notebook. Okay, some sentences are given for your practice. Okay, then look here. The possessive case of noun means to become possessive. Possessive means honor of something. To become a honor of something. To become honor of something. Normally we show possessiveness with apostrophe s or preposition of. Okay. Normally we show possessiveness with apostrophe s or preposition of. Okay, the possessive case of else. Since else is felt to be firmly tied to the word coming before it, the correct possessive form is sound unnatural. The expected form in correct English is anyone else. Okay, look, take example, the house of Ram. The house of Ram. The Ram's house. The house of Ram. Ram. यहाँ पे preposition. What is the preposition in the first sentence? The house of Ram. Ram. Of is preposition. And Ram's house. Ram's house. And Ram's को क्या लगा है? Apostrophe s लगा है. इसीलिए Ram's house. Okay. Take example. I took someone else's hat. I took someone else's hat. Okay. And then someone else यानी ऐसा नहीं, we can not say I took someone else's hat, and was anyone else's pocket pick, and no one else's parents were invited. Okay, let's see your exercise number 2. Rewrite the following sentence using else. Rewrite the following sentence using else. I think this is some. First example is I think this is some other person's hat. Some other person's hat. Person is a possessive form. That is the possessive. That is possessive case. I think this is some other person's hat. Persons is a possessive case. Instead of some other persons, you have to write there. I think this is someone else's hat. I think this is someone else's hat. I think this is someone else's hat. Now let's see second sentence. Was any other person's umbrellas lost? Was any other person's umbrella lost? Was, instead of any other persons, you have to write was anyone else's umbrellas lost. Okay, now let's see third. No other person's luggage was opened. In the no other persons, and a persons is the possessive form. Okay, possessive case. And no other persons instead of no other persons, you have to write nobody else's luggage was opened. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are given for your practice. Okay. Now look. Okay, one more rule, or else means otherwise, means if not, means or else. Instead of or else you have to write otherwise. Instead of or otherwise you have to write if not. And or cannot take the place of otherwise or if not. Else act as a kind of intensifier. Intensifier means make strong to sentence. Intensifier means to make strong sentence. Okay, example, come early. If you don't, you won't get anything to eat. Come early, otherwise you won't get anything to eat. If you look at your sentence, if you don't, look here, if and don't write in red color. Okay, instead of these words you have to write there otherwise. Come early, otherwise you won't get anything to eat. Come early, instead of otherwise you have to write now or else. You won't get anything to eat. Come then third sentence, come early, instead of or else you have to write there or you won't get anything to eat. Okay, we can use a comma before or else. We can use a semicolon or comma before otherwise. Okay, put your coat on. If you don't, you will catch cold. Put your coat on, otherwise you will catch cold. Then you put coat on or else you will catch cold. And put coat on your, you will catch cold. Let's see exercise number 3. Join the following pairs of sentences using or else. Okay, what is the first one sentence? You must hurry. If you don't, and you will catch cold. Okay, what is the answer of this? If you must hurry, comma, or else, and it catch cold. It catch cold. Okay. Then second, hide it. If you don't, they will steal it. Hide it, comma. And instead of if you don't, you have to write there or else they will steal it. Okay. Now third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8 for you. Okay. You have to solve in your notebook. And then second exercise, join the following pairs of sentences using otherwise. Or let's see, first sentence, we must look sharp. If you don't, we will be late. What is the answer of this? We must look sharp, comma. We must look sharp. Instead of if we don't, you have to write there otherwise, and we'll be late. Okay, now second is shut the door quietly. If you don't, instead of if you don't, you have to write there otherwise, you will make the baby. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to solve in your notebook. Okay, thank you. And these rules also you have to write in your notebook.